Mama's kitchen food
and travel. And today is a special day. I'll be making my
Your
favorite food called
Ottogi.
curry.
And what we're gonna do? The first thing we have to do is to
marinate.
yes, we're going to marinate our chicken breast, but you can use any protein. Yeah. Right, it's not your special day only because
It's my mom's special day as well because
this is your first appearance on my channel, so thank you so much.
the thing you want to do is to marinate your chicken breast
With
soy sauce and
just pour it there. And the next is the
white pepper.
yeah, that's right.
So we have here chicken breast and we're going to marinate it for at least 30 minutes.
You will marinate it for at least 30 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay?
So the next thing you want to do is prepare the other ingredients or vegetables.
So we have peeled potatoes and we soak it in the water. We are going to cut them into cubes. We need white onion and we're going to cut them the same size of the potatoes. We need carrots as well, and you can cut into this. Or you can slice into this. Then grab your garlic, remove the skin and chop it. This is optional and you can skip it if you don't like to use the garlic.
Need this to our dish today, and you can buy this in any store like supermarket or groceries. We will
Put that one there in the bowl. And you can what? Add some water. So it looks like this.
Looks like sand.
Yeah. And
Add 1 cup of water.
stir it just like that.
It's my favorite dish I ever tried before. Like when I was small, when my mom just first gave me this, I was like, wow, I like this all the time.
And you even requested this one all the time when you're in school.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, stop. For all of your support and love for my mom, and I'd like to say thank you to my friends Victoria and Penelope. And we are ready to cook. We have our pot here ready in the stove. So
On a hot pot, add a little bit of oil. Add your garlic. The carrots. Add the potatoes. Put a little bit of salt. and a little bit of white pepper.
Next, cover it. See you later.
And you just wait until your vegetables are cooked. Once your vegetables are cooked, you can add your chicken breast. Then add 2 cups of water and simmer it for a few minutes only.
Waiting for the food to cook, why not you post some new recipes and we can make it for you, your favorite food. Yeah, suggestions of recipe. And don't forget to subscribe to my mom.
You know, that's it. That's me.
And like. In this pandemic, I know you guys are feeling bored like me, so
Me too.
feel free to comment down below your favorite foods and recipes that
And
we
we will try to make it for them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then let's add our curry mixture. Then add your white onion. And simmer it for another 2 to 3 minutes.
Now I'm ready to taste my chicken curry. Decided to try this curry that my mom made and me.
Is it good? Good?
I'm so happy today, guys, that we are making this dish for you to learn, and I'm so happy that you get to learn new things.
That's a recipe for today, and I hope you enjoyed it. That's a recipe for today, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell for my new uploaded videos. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.
Bye-bye!